In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Firefox Profile Manager. Firefox Profile Manager allows you to create, manage, and switch between different browser profiles. Each profile has its own bookmarks, browsing history, extensions, saved settings, and preferences. This makes it useful if you want to keep separate browsing environments for work and personal use, test browser configurations, or troubleshoot Firefox without affecting your primary profile. To get started, make sure Firefox is completely closed. If Firefox is still running, close all browser windows before continuing. This ensures that the Profile Manager can open correctly. Next, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type firefox.exe:-p and then press Enter. This command opens the Firefox Profile Manager instead of launching the browser normally. When the Profile Manager appears, you'll see a list of any existing Firefox profiles on your computer. From here, you can select a profile to launch, create a new profile, rename an existing profile, or remove a profile that you no longer need. If you want to create a new profile, click the Create Profile button to start the profile creation wizard. Click Next, choose a name for the new profile, and then click Finish. The new profile will appear in the list of available profiles. To open Firefox using a specific profile, simply select the profile from the list and click Start Firefox. The browser will launch using that profile's unique settings, bookmarks, extensions, and browsing data. If you need to rename a profile, select it from the list and click Rename Profile. Enter the new name and confirm the change. Renaming a profile only changes the name displayed in the Profile Manager and does not affect your browsing data. You can also remove a profile by selecting it and clicking Delete Profile. Be careful when using this option, as you'll be asked whether you want to keep or remove the profile's files. Read the prompts carefully before making your selection to avoid removing data you may want to keep. Once you've finished managing your profiles, simply launch Firefox using the profile you want to use. You can return to the Profile Manager anytime by repeating the same command if you need to create, rename, remove, or switch profiles again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,